Okay, here we go! Latvia! Whoa! He came out of nowhere. What the... What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ride the Beam. It's been a very, very wet night. As you can hear, probably, it's raining. But today, the plan is to head to Riga in Latvia. So today we're gonna cross into a new country that none of us have been to before.
Oh, really?
That's interesting.
Yeah.
I'm very curious. People say that Riga is a really, really beautiful town, and I believe it, but I want to see it for myself.
That should be nice.
Yeah. So...
Now we make coffee.
Yes. Now we gotta make a cup of coffee and clean up this tent, because we're a bit messy.
In the morning, the Norwegian male needs coffee. He starts his ritual by grinding the beans. Having done so, he grabs some water and is preparing his AeroPress. Coffee is very important for the Norwegian male's survival, and he won't fail to do it in the morning before a long trip. We can observe him now in his natural environment, going about his daily activity.
There you go.
In the rain, again. It's cozy as long as we're inside.
And I have to transfer the footage from yesterday.
Very important to do it.
Yeah.
Sometimes he had very great shots and he lost them. That was sad.
Yeah.
So we have to be very strict with this.
Sometimes, like, I'm too tired or it's something, and I forget to transfer the footage, and then maybe there's a clip here and there I miss that I know I filmed, but it just disappears somehow. It's annoying. This was actually a really nice camp spot, and it was really nice last night, except for the damn mosquitoes. And around like 1 o'clock, it was a dog right outside the tent, barking, and someone came with a flashlight and was lighting up the tent. So I was like, what the hell is going on? This boat is so cool. That was kind of scary. And this morning, about like 6 o'clock or something this morning, I heard animal noises outside. It was like a large animal. It sounded like a horse or something. Nice to be on the road again. Today we're able to be on the road a little bit earlier than the previous days, which is good. And now it's 10 o'clock. Still too late because we wanted to be on the road by night, but it's an improvement. And here's the ferry terminal. So we camped right next to the ferry terminal now that we arrived at yesterday. I think it's time to put the rain suit on now. It's starting to rain. I was hoping we could ride away from the rain. They also have Kovik, so maybe we can have a cup of coffee. Cup of Kovik.
This? No. This. That's incriminating evidence of you drinking this. Oh, I like this one. Here comes the cream.
That's a lot.
Really?
And you put cinnamon on. Gas station coffee. It's very rare that I drink this, but I just want something warm now. It's cold. Yeah. It tastes like what it is. But it's warm. All right. Lihula. Oh, this is an interesting. This is a power station. So many cables. Now we're close to a city called Pärnu, and I know there's a racetrack here of some sort, a Porsche racetrack. That's kind of cool. I think this is one of the bigger cities in Estonia. This kind of reminds me of Amsterdam a little bit. Riga, is that Riga in Estonian? I think. Nobody really knows exactly the origins of the name Riga. There are a few different hypotheses. One of them is that it derives from Ria. It used to be spelled with a J, and then the Germans turned it into a hard G. And Old Estonian, it was pronounced Ria, and it still is today, and that's where the name sort of originates from, but nobody really knows. Let's try to drive around this town a little bit just to have a look at what it looks like. Is this the center? Oh, this is really cute. Wow, this is a really cute park. It's a pretty little town. Cool mural. Flying elephant. This is a walking street. You're not allowed to drive here, I guess then. Wow, this is really cute. Oh, I like this little town. Cool, that was Pärnu. That was a nice little city. Now it's really pouring down here. This is miserable. We're close to... Ah, damn it. Now my phone is not charging anymore either because it's wet. Now we are approaching the Latvian border. I wonder how this border is. Oh, it's in the back. Do we need a passport here? I don't think we do. Ikla Piripunkt. I guess this was the old border station before it became part of the EU. I guess yeah, it's Latvia is in the EU as well. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Latvia. Welcome to Latvia, a new country for the both of us. That's exciting. But now we are so wet and so cold, we need to find somewhere to stop and warm up a little bit again. There's a gas station. Let's stop here. I hope it's somewhere we can go inside and warm ourselves here. Do they use euro in Latvia? I hope they do. I need to fill up gas anyway, so... This is so cold. Oh, I'm freezing. My gloves are so wet that I can almost not get them off.
This time we're not drinking coffee. One was enough. Just need something warm. This was horrible, but we made it to the new country. And now we have 2 hours left.
Okay, let's get on the road again. It stopped raining at least for a minute. It's nice. The coastline here is really beautiful actually. I just wish it was sunny. Then I think it would look really beautiful. Next stop, Riga. This is a 20-minute delay here in traffic, but luckily we have a bike. Maybe we can skip most of it. I don't know what's going on here. This is a long-ass queue. What the hell is going on? It's all trucks almost. Mostly trucks. I'm so glad we're on a bike now. If we were in a car, we would have been forced to sit in line here. That was like a 2-kilometer long queue. Okay. This must be the reason. There's another biker. Triumph 9 Tiger. That's cool. The German guy from Bayer. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah, they're building a new bridge, I guess. Interesting. Here's a bicycle. A lot of stuff on it. I'm always so impressed by these people who ride bicycles around the world. Okay, luckily that wasn't too bad of a delay. Whoa! He came out of nowhere. What the? Estonian bus. Lux Express. So now I guess we can say welcome to Riga. We're officially in Riga. It got so dark all of a sudden. I hope there's a place to park my bike safely. I don't know why. Maybe it's a prejudice of me, but I don't feel safe with my bike in the streets here. Not that I mistrust people, but in a city I don't know anything about. I like to keep my bike safe. So I think it's the White House there. I think it's here. But I don't know. What the hell is this weather? I hope it's not a basement where it floods like it did in Budapest. Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay. Thank you. Oh. I just had to try to cover it a little bit. Wait. This is the brilliant thing with the new bags, that I can actually just take them off and bring them inside. And we can put the rain cover on. Soaking wet. We gotta clean up the floor here. Oh, this is actually a pretty nice room. And we have a fireplace. That's nice. Damn it, what a ride! This jacket is soaking wet. Even though I was wearing the rain suit the whole day. I needed a rain suit. This one doesn't work. Well, we made it to Riga.
Oh.
Now we need a shower. We're so wet.
Yeah.
Oh, this was it was an interesting day. This ride would have been really beautiful if the weather was good.
Yeah.
But a whole day in the rain is just it's so tiring.
Now we arrive, we can forget about it.
Yes. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, give us a thumbs up, click subscribe and ring the bell if you want to see what we end up doing next. So the plan in the next episode is to start heading further south. We're going to Latvia. We haven't decided which town in Latvia. If we're going to the capital or if we're taking a different direction. We'll find out in the next episode.
What are you talking about?
Vilnius, or if we go to the other one we talked about.
Where are we going?
Lithuania.
There we go.
That's what I said.
No, the people watching know that I'm right. He just said Latvia 3 times. You did it!
Okay, I'm tired. I'm sorry, I don't mean to offend anyone by mixing them up.
Yeah, he's tired. Tired now, driving in the wind, it's hard.
Ugh.
So yeah, next we go to Lithuania.
Lithuania, and then Poland after that.
Yeah. But now we just arrived. So
yeah, so...
let's see what we can find in the city.
Yeah, we're gonna explore this city a little bit tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then before we leave.
I can see some history, some coffee.
Yeah.
It's the first time for you too, so...
Yeah, first time for both of us in a new country. That's interesting.
Yeah.
And this is I think my 50th country that I visit.
Nice, now it's a round number.
And for you it's...
Oh, I don't count. I don't know. But together it's 16.
16, yeah. This is our 16th country together.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So?
Ugh. Now I need a shower and get out of these wet clothes.
Yeah.
Ugh. Okay.
Peace.
See you. Peace.